In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete temporary update files in Windows 11 if your computer is starting to feel a little cluttered or you just want to free up some storage space. Removing temporary update files is a simple and useful thing to do. Over time, Windows keeps leftover files from updates, and while they can help during installation or cleanup, they often aren't needed forever. Windows 11 includes a built-in way to safely remove these files, and the process only takes a minute. To get started, click the Start button and open Settings. This is where Windows keeps most of your system options in one place, so if you're following along for the first time, don't worry, everything we need is easy to find. Once you're in Settings, look over to the left-hand menu and click System. This section contains the main settings related to your device, including display options, notifications, power, and storage. On the right side, find and click Storage. This area shows how your drive space is being used and gives you tools to help clear unnecessary files. Inside Storage, click Temporary Files. When you open this section, Windows will begin scanning your system for items that can potentially be removed. Give it a few moments to finish. The scan may take a little longer depending on how many files are on your computer and how recently your system was updated. After the scan completes, you'll see a list of temporary file categories. Look for Windows Update Cleanup and select it. You can also check other categories that are clearly safe to delete if you want to free up even more space. Just take a moment to review what's listed so you understand what will be removed. Temporary files are usually safe to clear, but it's always a good idea to quickly confirm the selections before continuing. When you're ready, click the Remove Files button at the top. Windows may ask you to confirm, and if it does, go ahead and approve the action. The cleanup process will then begin, and depending on the amount of data being removed, it may take a little time to complete. Once it's done, you should have reclaimed some storage space and removed old update files that were no longer necessary. This is a great maintenance step to do every so often, especially if your drive is getting full. And that's how to delete temporary update files in Windows 11.